In this video, we will show you how to prepare a delicious Preludio with your NESCAFÉ Dolce Gusto Drop. Adjust the drip tray to the low position. Place your cup. On this capsule, we recommend selecting the XL sign on the touch interface, or adjust to your taste. Place the Preludio capsule in the capsule holder. Press the touch button for hot. Once the coffee flow has stopped, the power button blinks red. Don't remove the capsule holder until the power button turns green. Remove the capsule. Tip it into a bin. Reinsert the capsule holder. And that's it. Enjoy your smooth Preludio. With NESCAFÉ Dolce Gusto, you can enjoy a wide range of delicious coffees, teas, and hot chocolates.